What's up, gamers? Today we're learning how to repair a TV like this one, because it doesn't work. First thing you're gonna want to do is unplug it from the wall, like so. And now you're gonna want to move it into a nice open location where you can access all of this. And now you need a screwdriver. Okay, I've unscrewed it, all the screws. I've unscrewed all the screws. Now I got to take it off carefully. Now here comes the tricky part. There's a lot of live electronics in here, so that's something I want to touch. Where's my hat? Oh, there it is. Well, how could this be possible? I did everything completely safe. All of this. I just can't tell how this could have happened. Well, I guess it's an absolute mystery. I'm gonna do something else now.